What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Takeoff with Trevor here. I'm here with my buddy Marcelo. So we've actually got something interesting going on today because he has never been on a Cessna 172 before. So this is going to be his first flight and we're going to the beach. So I hope you guys enjoy the content because he's actually scared to fly, so it's kind of like his way to get over his fear of flying in the Cessna 172. So yeah, it's my buddy Marcelo. You gonna say anything to him, bro?
Yeah, man. It's funny. I'm a little afraid of flying, but back in my day, I used to make metal for airplanes a little bit, like nickel and some titanium super alloys. Now, I work in a different place now, but technically, there's a chance I could have built a little bit, the shaft of one of these things. So.
That's crazy.
We'll see, man. Let's see how it goes.
Alright, but yeah, let's get into our pre-flight and planning and stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and brief this guy, but yeah, let's get it. Yeah, so I basically skipped the pre-flight portion of this video and stuff. I didn't really record it or whatever, but yeah, we're about to take off, just running through some checklists, doing a radio check for Monroe traffic, and just making sure the CDI, vertical CDI and horizontal CDI are fully operational, and we have RAIM, WAS, all that. Yeah, there's my radio check on the actual comms and everything. So basically, I tried to get as much audio as I could, but it didn't record on my phone because I brought the wrong attachment. But anyways, we're about to actually get to the run-up portion of this. So basically, I skipped the taxi, I think, of this video. It's been a while since I actually recorded this, but you can see that we're actually taxing out and everything, going to the end of run 2-3 at Monroe. And yeah, this is kind of boring. I'm sorry for putting you guys through this, but this is what I got, and my equipment was faulty that day. But here you see we're actually in the run-up area. It's by Hangar Alpha at this airport, and yeah, just stay tuned. And we're actually about to start doing a run-up check right here. This is basically where we check the airplane to make sure that the flight controls are correct and we can override the autopilot and everything. So yeah, we're doing that and making sure that we still have stable oil pressure and stable oil temperature before we actually take off. That way we don't have to abort our takeoff, and make sure that the engine is running smooth on both mags, right and left. And I might sound a little awkward doing this because it's my first time doing use a YouTube voiceover, and right now I think there might be an echo actually on my system because I have speakers. But here goes the next little audio. So that's actually really cool that you guys get to hear that. Here we are, we're about to get on the runway. Oh my gosh, I was about to say run up again. But yeah, we're about to take off from runway 23 and depart towards Myrtle Beach. And we actually have some unexpected surprises when we actually get there. If you guys just watch the video and everything, I mean, we go and get food and all that, but just stay tuned. It's really cool. I was actually really happy to bring my buddy Marcelo along for the flight. I think he's my first passenger that I've had actually as like pilot in command under IFR. So yeah, we're just gonna get up on our takeoff here, and I think I'll see you guys back at the start of my landing, my approach into I think it was, I forget what it is. It was either Grand Strands or we took off of, we tried to go into Grand Strand, so I don't even think I got an official approach here, but still logged the cross country time just because I needed it. I think I ended up landing at, it's man, I forget the name of the airport. It's like I'd have to look back in my logbook for it, but it's an airport that's a little bit south of Grand Strand Airport, and we ended up landing over there. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day to actually go to the beach. It actually ended up being bike week at the beach, so the traffic was actually really crazy, not at the airport but on the ground, and we actually got some really beautiful shots I put in at the end of the video for this. And I don't know if I'm under the foggles or not. Maybe I shot an RNAV or an LNAV over there. No, it doesn't look like I'm under the foggles. I'm sorry, it's really tiny on my screen over here, like super tiny. It's like I'm wearing sunglasses and foggles, I guess, or I took off the foggles, I'm not sure. Oh no, it just wasn't in sync. I was wearing foggles. Okay, so I guess we did land at Grand Strand because we ended up getting a rental car, so that's cool. But yeah, it was actually really fun. I think this is what they talk about whenever they talk about it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And me, I got to enjoy my flight training journey for sure. This is a memory that I will never ever forget at Myrtle Beach, flying with my best friend that I've known since middle school. And yeah, it's awesome. Thank you, Arrowwood, for making it happen. Love you guys. But yeah, here's the rest of the video. What's up, guys? So took my friend on his first flight in the Cessna, right? And you know, we got some cool planes behind us and stuff, right? But we're at the beach, about to have a good time. Got here in an hour. Be back in Charlotte tonight, baby.
Yes, sir. Sick.
It's awesome, right? Yeah, what's going on, guys? We're at the beach now. About to go and get some seafood. Pete, my flight instructor, in the back right there. The Mitch. What a guy, legend. But yeah, it's a beautiful day to be at the beach. Oh yeah, it is. This is so sick. Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? We just got our food. So I got some jambalaya, right? Mitch, we got some fish and chips.
Heck yeah.
Marcelo, I've got the same thing because they both just great minds think alike.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we're out here living it up. It's great having a private pilot license. Just doing the training, I feel blessed to have this opportunity. Bring my friend along with me, and you know, fly with my instructor and everything. It's great. Thank you. Shout out to Arrowwood Aviation for making this all possible. And my parents, love you guys.
Front tire? No, that definitely is a style. This is the third bike I've seen.
Soaking up the vibes. There's police over here. Damn. It's bike week in Myrtle Beach, and that's where we're at. So we got a lot of bikes here. They're zooming on by. Oh yeah. Just taking it in.
So many bikes. I've never seen so many bikes in one place.
The Nacho Hippo? Yo! Let's go to the Nacho Hippo.
This is crazy. Yeah, that's my flight instructor, Midge. Shout out to Midge. Police. Gotta love the police. Yo.
Oh my god, yeah. Just make it even worse for everybody. Just cut it off. Just
Cut
it
off
out
the
in
whole
middle.
thing.
Get your bikes in the back of your SUV sticking out on the fucking road. Hell yeah.
Did you guys see the dude getting handcuffed in the fucking cop car that we were at the stoplight?
But yeah, somebody was getting arrested. Somebody was getting arrested over there. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we're about to go to the ocean real quick. And I'll see you guys at the ocean because it's dark. But right now, we're sitting in traffic. Hold on, I'm trying to get these bikes. Yeah, look at that. They're just playing music. Circle K gas station. But right now, we're sitting in traffic. Hold on, I'm trying to get these bikes. Yeah, look at that. They're just playing music. Circle K gas station. It's crazy. But yeah, it's bike week, and you know, if you're in flight school, definitely take your time to enjoy the journey and take trips like this, because it's really cool. We're having a good time. My buddy Marcelo, he's having a great time. He thinks it's crazy that we're out here right now, but you know, we're just enjoying it. This is a movie. This is actually a movie. This is gonna be on YouTube, bro. This actually might go viral. Like on YouTube. But yeah, we're just like in this gift shop now. And I'm gonna get something to remember this trip by. Because you only get to be an instrument pilot training for your instrument ride at once. So I'm just gonna kind of look around and get something. I don't know what I'm gonna get. They got all sorts of stuff up here, but we're gonna find out. Should get one of what? All right, show the camera, bro. I'm gonna get one of those, dude. I don't think that fly too high. We're good. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. I'm gonna get something though. But yeah, we found some souvenirs. I got this like little cool skull thing, so did Mitch. It's got like a pilot's cap on it. Looks really cool. Oh, he didn't hear you. Hey, Mitch. Yo, this is crazy. Out here and then shit at the beach. Life week, let's go. We're at Logan's right now. Just ripped a Red Bull, now I'm gonna go take a leak. I ripped the Monster. Marcelo had to drop a deuce. So I didn't bring my other camera with me. I hope this looks good. But yeah, having a good time. The wind's actually shifting. There's Marcelo. How was it, buddy?
Oh, it was great, bro.
Very relieving.
A little weight reduction.
Hell yeah, but
make sure the airplane is not too heavy, you know?
oh yeah. But we're having a good time, guys. We're having a good time. Man. traffic tonight, dude. You look so over it, bro. Oh my gosh, look how many people